Welcome to our guide on apartment remodeling. But why is it so important? Well, a well-planned remodel can transform your living space into a haven of comfort and style. But beware, there are common mistakes that can turn your dream project into a nightmare. The first common mistake is ignoring the budget. It's easy to get carried away with expensive fixtures and finishes. The second mistake is not considering the apartment's original layout. This can lead to structural issues. The third mistake is neglecting lighting. Proper lighting can make or break your space. The fourth mistake is choosing style over function. Remember, your apartment needs to be livable first. The fifth mistake is doing everything. Some tasks are best left to professionals. Now, let's discuss how to avoid these mistakes. First, always set a realistic budget and stick to it. Second, consider the original layout. Consult a professional if needed. Third, invest in good lighting. It can transform your space. Fourth, balance style and function. Your apartment should be both beautiful and livable. Fifth, know when to call a professional. It can save you time and money in the long run. In conclusion, apartment remodeling can be a rewarding experience if done right. Remember the common mistakes and our tips to avoid them. Happy remodeling! Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.